Hey YouTube, thanks so much for watching my short Creole seasoning video. First, grind 3 tablespoons of Himalayan pink salt or regular sea salt. Grind 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Two tablespoons of onion powder. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 2 tablespoons of oregano. 2 tablespoons of basil. 1 tablespoon of thyme. 1 tablespoon of white pepper. 5 tablespoons of paprika. And 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Mix it all together. It takes too long. Better yet, mix it in a bag. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Lots more coming.